go a little bit step further to show you how to track emails and test emails basically, because most flow doesn't just exist only in the application. It actually involves emails and OTP and all. Now OTP is quite easy in this case, but this time I think I want to go further and test magic links, right? So we are testing magic links here. So let's start recording. This is an application that I have, and here we actually need to log in with just an email. You see, there's no password here, so let me try to log in with an email. You see this mail button? I need to click on it because it is a it shows us the mail that we have, right? So I've tested 29 or 26 minutes ago, so that I know that things are working fine, right? Just go back here to try and log in, right? So send the mail, right? You say check your mail, blah blah blah. Then I would want to check my mail, right? But the first thing you need to do in this mail, the mail actually has its own assertions. All you just have to do is come here, say okay, I need to test this mail. The mail should come in within 70 seconds, right? The subject should look like this. Maybe the subject should have welcome to malhub, and these two are optional, but let's just add one more case and say the mail should contain mail malhub at coworker.com. So we click on add step. We've added that step already. Now this is what enters just now, and I clicked on this. This is how I log in. This is a secure magic link, so I just need to click on the secured magic link, and that will take me directly to, okay, I clicked on it, it did not work, but that will take me directly to the application. Now you can see that I'm actually logged in, right? I can always assert something like this and say, maybe assert that this email exists, right? Yeah, you can assert that, or you can just stop it basically. But that's basically how you need to assert your um, emails basically. So if you go back here, you see that everything has been asserted. Let's go through the step together. You click on sign in. You click on okay. There's kind of like a, I don't think there's a duplication. I think we clicked on this sign in button before we actually clicked on the sign in. Then we now clicked on sign in again. Then we entered our mail. We entered our typed in our email, basically send email. You can see this is where it gets interesting. Wait for email with the subject of welcome to malhub from malhub at coworker.com. Then click on login. So let's just run it, right? Let's run it. So we're running it, and we'll just wait for our run to complete, right? Let's keep track of things as the run is happening, right? Okay. During the test, I was doing a lot of explanation, so it might take a bit to start. Alright, the run has started already. You can see we opened the actual modal. That's the first step we did. We clicked on the sign in button, which was here. See, the mouse is somewhere here. And then the next button is we would have to click on okay. This is pretty slow today, but let's just wait for it to go through. So I think this is a duplicate this is a duplicate thingy. I can see it's a duplicate thing because like we clicked on the sign in 3 times. So yeah, we probably need to delete some of these things that are duplicates. But for now, let's just allow the whole test to run clearly. I don't want to edit anything in this video because I want to make sure everything is live and direct. Basically, because you would actually run into issues when using this product. In terms of, for example, you can see there's a duplicate script here, and it has failed twice, because these are just duplicates, right? We've clicked on sign in already. It doesn't need to click on sign in 3 times again. So you can always come here and delete it, but I don't want to delete it now. Let's wait for that. So next thing is enter your email. Enter the email we copied. Works fine. Next thing is to click on send magic link. That's the next thing we need to test. My phone is really low. So the next thing is to click on send magic link. Alright. So you can see it has clicked on send magic link. The next thing, let's go back to our test script. The next thing is to okay, this is basically still duplicate again. Most of the time you need, once you finish testing, writing your test, you need to go over the script to look for duplicate. I might release a feature to remove duplicates from this script, but let's not wait for me to do that, right? So you can see we waited for the mail. The mail passed. We clicked on this mail which has this icon. It showed, and basically it actually passed, right? We checked if this email, this is just a side quest, right? But this is the main thing. The main thing is actually waited for the subject to happen and everything. We can always um, share this actual URL. It did not fail in a sense. It's just that there are few duplicates here. So to remove those duplicates, you just have to click on this to delete. Click on this to delete. These are duplicates, by the way. Click on this to delete. Why I'm deleting is because we already typed the email here. So why are we typing it here again? So let's click on this to delete, and that is basically it. We have our test, a fully functional test which you can actually run again to be sure that everything is working fine, right? So yeah, that's it for this video.